Adjectives and prepositions. In English, some adjectives go with certain prepositions. There are no grammatical rules for which preposition is used with which adjective, so it's a good idea to try and learn them together. Common adjectives followed by the preposition of. Afraid of. My little brother is afraid of the monsters that he thinks live under his bed. Ashamed of. Your behaviour is unacceptable. You should be ashamed of yourself. Aware of. Nobody was aware of how dangerous the hiking was going to be. Capable of. Sam is still very childish and not capable of caring for herself. Certain of. Let's wait a few more minutes. Tracy will eventually show up. I'm certain of that. Conscious of. Liam seemed to be the only person conscious of the problems involved in the project. Frightened of. Kathy is frightened of wasps, as she was badly stung when she was little. Envious of. Claire is envious of her friends' happy relationships, but she doesn't want to settle down. Independent of. At your age, you should be completely independent of your parents. Jealous of. Gary is jealous of his wife's success, but he doesn't work half as hard as she does. Kind of. It was kind of you to help me. I don't know how I would manage without you. Nice of. It's very nice of you to invite us for a barbecue. What shall we bring? Odd of. Don't you think it's odd of Paul not to answer his mobile for 3 days? Proud of. Most parents are proud of their children's accomplishments. Rude of. I thought it was rude of her to interrupt me every time I wanted to say something. Scared of. Julie is so scared of flying that she never travels by plane. Sick of. I'm sick of doing housework every day all by myself. Smart of. Nobody thought the horse would win. It was very smart of Brad to bet on it. Silly of. How silly of me to mix up the dates. Of course, we're meeting on Thursday, not Friday. Strange of. It's strange of Sally to not turn up at work for over a week. She's always very reliable. Stupid of. How stupid of your sister to break up with Andy. He was a decent guy. Sweet of. That was sweet of Leanna to send a card to my mum on her birthday. Terrified of. Shana is so terrified of needles that she refused to do the blood test. Thoughtful of. It was very thoughtful of Jonathan to bring flowers and thank the hostess for organising the party. Tired of. I'm tired of helping my brother with everything. He should get a grip and sort himself out. Typical of. How typical of Brad. He never keeps to his word.